Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Sew Aldo. Today, I have a clever way to achieve a faux hemband look using an overlocker or serger. So, if you would like to see how, then keep on watching. To achieve a faux hip band look, I am first going to fold in about 3 inches. And be sure that you gave your sweater or whatever it is you're working with enough allowance so it's not going to be too short. So I'm going to fold in 3 inches just like this, and I'm going to fold it out one more time just like this, and I'm going to put clips on the side seams. Be sure that it is straight so your hemline or hemband is going to look nice and pretty. I will be adding more clips just to hold the fabrics together. As you can see, the edges are kind of curling, so I'm just going to put some clips to hold the fabrics together. The process on the armband is pretty much the same. You are just going to fold in about 1 inch and then fold it out one more time, just like we did on the hip band. Now I am going to serge the hemline. If you don't have a serger or an overlocker, you can easily use a narrow zigzag stitch for this. As you can see, it gave us a faux hip band, and you are going to do the same thing for the armband. You can also do this process along the neckline. It will also give you that faux neckband look. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this is helpful to you. If it did, don't forget to give it a likes, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. I will see you next time. Bye!